Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to look into Veracity. We'll look into both VRA USDT as well as VRA BTC chart, and we'll do a detailed analysis. So I hope you find today's video valuable. If you're joining me for the first time, do subscribe to the channel. Keep coming back for new videos. So first, let's go to VRA USDT chart, and we are looking at a weekly time frame. So you get a long-term perspective of what price can do from here. So VRA has broken out of this bear market accumulation. Very important bear market accumulation zone was 0.008 on the weekly. This was the first Bitcoin correction in 2021 where Bitcoin came from 65,000 all the way to 29,000. That's where this price acted as support, 0.008. And from there, VRA created a new all-time high. So, and in the bear market, you can see this price was acting as resistance, and it took almost 1.5 to 2 years to find a rounding bottom and break out of this price. So this is not a small breakout. This is a massive breakout on the weekly time frame, and it's already approaching a very important weekly resistance at 0.014. Again, it's just a matter of time where I see this breaking out, retesting this 0.013 and creating this into support. So it's in a massive uptrend. This is in an acceleration now. I had tweeted on back on 23rd or 24th of January this year, where VRA was over here, and I said that VRA bears are in for a surprise. And since then, it's almost up 200%. I think so, or near about 200%. I don't know. This you can go and check my Twitter. Yeah, it's up more than 200% since then. But this is just the beginning for Veracity. So, what are the upcoming resistance for Veracity on the weekly time frame? 0.014 is currently a huge resistance on the weekly. Once it can successfully break it, it's heading to 0.03, which is a next big resistance. Of course, it can chop around over here. Sorry, let me get rid of this. Yeah, it can chop around over here. It can chop around over here somewhere. But once a good force we get from the altcoin markets, I think it would not take much time to retest this zone of 0.03. And once we flip 0.03, that's when we will set this targets of 0.05 and 0.085. So overall, this is a massive uptrend, and I think if you're a Veracity bull, you should be pretty happy that it's just getting started. If you are somebody who's looking for entries, I think any good dip is a good buy the dip zone for Veracity. And if you have zero exposure, I would suggest you buy some right now. And if you can handle the volatility, then you can buy all your bags and go ride it. And or else not, if you want to be if you want to buy the dip, then buy some right now and you can wait for the dip. But I don't know whether you'll get that opportunity to buy the dip or not. Only in scenario of Bitcoin crashing can bring this market down. Otherwise, I see it ripping higher. So if you're somebody who wants to buy a spot bag, this is not a bad zone. You are buying the weekly breakout. Maybe it can come down for 0.01 retest or not, but that is negligible to the upside that VRA currently has. Lot of upside. I see it making a new all-time high also. And I think when we look at VRA BTC chart, you'll get a clear scenario of what can happen. If you look at VRA BTC, it is still in bear market accumulation. This is the bear market accumulation breakout zone, and VRA BTC has not broken out of it yet. So around 2725 satoshis. There are a lot of zeros there, so please ignore that. But around 2725 satoshis is the breakout zone for VRA in the Bitcoin pair. You see this beautiful retest I had done previous VRA video a few months back. You can go and check that out, and you can see the uh, accuracy of my analysis. I told you that this is a zone where VRA will flip it into support. It was a previous bear market resistance zone, and breaking that zone caused this massive alt season and caused this VRA pump against Bitcoin. Similarly, VRA has not broken out of the bear market accumulation zone against the Bitcoin pair. So whenever it breaks out of this zone, let me again show you and get rid of these drawings. Whenever it breaks out of this zone, previous support and resistance at around 2725 satoshis or at around 2825, yeah, so 2825 satoshis, this is where it will start a new bull market against Bitcoin pair. The first target would be here, and its new all-time high would be somewhere over here. So even if you consider it going and retesting its previous all-time high against Bitcoin pair, it's at 500% from the current price, around 460%. And if you consider this, then it's around 145%. So huge upside potential against the Bitcoin pair. So let's say if Bitcoin does another 2-3x from here in this bull market, and if BRA can just go and retest it midway, then it's a conservative 8 to 10x from here. But if it goes to retest this previous all-time high, then it is anybody's get, but a 20-25x from here. But if at all VRA can create a new all-time high and start a new wave, then I think sky is the limit, and even $1 VRA is not impossible. So lot of upside potential. I will keep you updated whenever there is a realistic resistance on a higher time frame. I will keep updating you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, and take it level by level. But there is huge upside if you are somebody who is holding a bag of VRA. So I hope you find today's video valuable. Take care, everyone. Bye bye, and come back for new videos.